Hello everyone. So I want to tell you these two signs to know that you are not an ordinary person. Number one, being alone at your own company. Whenever you are alone, you being alone, you feel free. You don't even have any, you don't bore or become boring by you being alone. You're always comfortable at your own company. Yeah, that means you're not an ordinary person. And number two, overthinking. Sometimes you don't know whenever you think something that you don't know about, maybe you have already memorized it, you have already um imagined it how you're gonna be, and maybe for some day, maybe tomorrow or anytime the thing come forwardly, it happen as you think about it. Anything you imagine always come perfectly as you think about it. That means you're not an ordinary person. So follow for more, like and share. Thank you.